Let's take a quick look at the Stanley Heat Gun 2000 watts, model number STXH2000. Price printed out here. You can see is 2100, but I purchased it for much lesser online. Let's have a look what's the inside. You have the warranty guarantee card, instructions, and the heat gun. This hot air gun does not contain any accessories. On-off switch having 2-stage control. Let's connect it to a power source. This is the nozzle of your heat gun, which can become extremely hot. Take necessary care while cooling your heat gun after use. To increase the temperature setting, turn the heat control knob anti-clockwise. To switch your heat gun on the low temperature setting, press the switch to position 1. To switch the tool on to the high temperature setting, set the switch to position 2. And to reduce the temperature setting, turn the heat control knob clockwise. You can use this heat gun in a stationary mode by placing it on a firm and stable surface. The length of the cord is approximately 3 meters. To switch the tool off, set the on-off switch to position 0. Smoke might be emitted from your heat gun. This is normal and will soon cease. I also got this 5-piece nozzle set which I ordered online, and this set of nozzles are not included with the Stanley heat gun. The link to buy these nozzles is provided in the description below. I got this model because of the variable speed heat adjustment, where stage 1 can be controlled at a temperature from 50 to 450 degrees Celsius and stage 2 at a temperature of about 90 to 600 degrees Celsius. That's all in this video. Hit the subscribe button for more videos and you have a nice day.